25 sentences using the word down.
She carefully walked down the stairs.
The cat climbed up the tree but couldn't get down.
He looked down at his feet, feeling embarrassed.
They sat down on the bench to rest.
The rain was pouring down heavily. She wrote down the address on a piece of paper.
He lay down on the couch for a nap.
The company's profits have gone down this quarter.
She put the book down on the table.
They watched the sun go down over the horizon.
He turned down the job offer.
She had to calm down before speaking.
The plane touched down smoothly on the runway.
He's feeling a bit down today. The computer system went down during the meeting.
She trimmed down the essay to meet the word limit.
The old house was torn down last year.
They jotted down notes during the lecture.
The prices have come down since last month.
He watered down the juice because it was too strong. She broke down in tears after hearing the news.
The car broke down on the highway.
He slowed down as he approached the intersection.
She looked down from the top of the building. They tied down the tent to keep it from blowing away.